next topic, that is elements of trainings. Okay, that's a very important aspect. Uh, this will be a very base for the instructional designer, because this will help you to understand what are the needs that is required, and because trainers, they just deliver it, and the instructional designers, they will develop the entire training model, the training learnings that is there. Okay, only the the major part will be contributed from the instructional design itself. So it is very much essential to understand what are the elements of the trainings, because based upon that, my entire instructional design will be standing. Now, if you take any course, to be an effective training, a good opening and the icebreaker are the two important aspects, two important things that will help us to make an trainings much more. These are the just, I'm telling some parts, but in depth there will be a lot of things that there. So which includes need analysis, course goals, learning objective, assessments, delivery methods, activities. Now, you guys tell me, what are the instructional designer roles among these? Like the need analysis, course goals, learning objective, assessments, delivery methods, and activities. So where the instructional designs, or where the instructional designs will be there. See, major entire major part will be in the form, in the course goal, learning objective, assessment. Okay, there will be a major contribution will be there. Need analysis, yes, obviously even instruction designer also identify the needs, and sometimes the trainers will identify what is required for our learners. Then delivery method, if it is a virtual, entire instruction design, whatever you developed, that will be floated in the form of videos, or sometimes the physical trainings that will be required. So there some 50-50 you will be contributing. Activities, obviously you will showcase around, you will provide around 50%, and the trainers will involve 50%. But major will be course goal, learning objective, assessments. There you will be having more and more contributions. Now, why the good opening is important? Because always when you start the session, it should be very uh, should be like with a positive vibe, so that the entire trainings will go in an effective manner. So we are used to starting within a topic straight way that doesn't meet the purpose. Okay, so we should not start away just delivering the course. Yes, this is what, this is how, this is, if that things doesn't work out. So whenever we meet a number of people for the first time, we need to make them feel comfortable for our sessions. I think these are the basic things that you already are aware of that one. Still, we'll understand this in a better ways. So even you will share your views on this, so that others are also get to know about that one. So what kind of questions that you should ask? Obviously, you'll be asking like, why did you choose the course? What's your hobbies? What's your background? Where you're from? What's your interested thing? These are the few questions that you will be asking. Now, when you start asking the question, the participants will open up, so that they will feel comfort in our training session. So they will move ahead with the further learnings. Okay, that's the reason a good opening is very much essential. Now, what exactly the icebreaker is? The another important step in building a rapport and credibility in you and your training session would be the including the icebreakers. Like these are the activities that help in making your session interesting and the breaking the ice between the trainees and the audience, because they have that kind of barrier in between, there is a wall between them, and these sessions will going to break that barrier. Like activities, walking down the memory line, tell the participants to do the following activities, like take the coin out of your wallet and see year mentioned in the coin. Find someone in the room with a coin that like in the 2 years ahead. Like these are some activities. Obviously, you will be doing these things. And not only these, there are some n number of icebreakers are there that will make them to engage in our sessions. Uh, there is also link provided that you can everyone use these links for more references or more icebreakers sessions. Okay. Some of the ice breakers for different domains. Uh, so that will be like back to school, about yourself, about your home, where did you this summer, all those things will be like for the few people's like I can say that of what's your favorite hobby since depending upon the the audience we can include the questions. At the same time, when you are with some working professionals or some graduates, your icebreaker questions should be in a different way. Okay. Now, let's come to the main part. What are the requirements for training courses? I'm not saying the training, it is for training course. There is a lot of difference between training and training course. I think you know on that. So, what are the requirements for the training courses now? Now, the delivery of training course, like what's the people are looking. So these are the things that is very much essential. One is knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Again, knowledge, pedagogy, context, content, skills, organization, interpersonal, communication, attitude, empathy, open-minded, and student-centered. Now, the training course, whatever we are developing, these should include these aspects. If my trainings are going in the organization, if the trainings are going on the knowledge, then my courses will be developed in a different aspect. Similarly, if my trainings are going on the skill sets, so again, it will be organizational, communicational, interpersonal, behavioral, all those things will be given. Like those are the requirements. When the trainings or the course are going to be on the attitudes, then it will be on these aspects. Okay, these are the basic requirements that the training course should include.